Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, I have threatening news for people in Bitcoin right now. The most important question right now is, of course, is it threatening news for the bulls or is it threatening news for the bears? This is exactly what I'm gonna be talking about today, because I will be pulling up the charts. There's evidence and proof that Bitcoin is going to go into a very specific direction in the immediate short term. I will be talking about all of that. Of course, I want to include today, finally again, my trading setup, my trading plan right now, and my next steps for Bitcoin in the immediate short-term trading wise. Stay here until the very end, where I'm going to talk about all my price targets and much more. I have to go. I'm gonna meet up DaVinci J15. He's gonna be leaving soon, so I want to push this fast video here from the phone towards you. I need your feedback. If you want more of these videos, now I'm doing 2-3 videos a day. Give me this feedback. Smash up the like button right now towards a new all-time high, and share this video with your friends next to the like button. If you share the video on social media, this is what really supports me the most. This is what really I truly appreciate it the most. I appreciate every single one of you. But if you could share this video, like the video, and make noise for the comment section, that would help me out a lot. Now let's go straight content for Bitcoin. So first of all, guys, we are starting, yes, always on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And well, we have a few different things here unfolding. First of all, you probably remember how I was talking about this setup, and before we broke, I actually told you, well, it is more likely that we are breaking towards the upside statistically, but in 3 or 4 out of 10 cases we are breaking down. And this is what happened. I actually gave you a signal over on Twitter. This is I really want to urge you guys, follow me over on Twitter, where I was giving you the signal right here, that we are actually right now breaking down with this specific target here. I got like 800 likes over there. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Follow me at MMCrypto. And I also told you to put the stop loss at a break even. But as you can see, we went down and perfectly hit the target of this rising wedge here. And we came even very close to the breakdown target of this ascending triangle. So technically, this breakdown move is already over. Doesn't mean that we are going lower necessarily. But what you can see here is a potential. I'm not saying that we are forming it necessarily, but it is a potential W unfolding. Not a perfect one, because the second low is below the first low. A perfect W pattern usually has a higher second low than the first one, but well, at least it looks like a W. But for this one to actually be unfolding, that would be very terrifying news for the Bitcoin bears. I will be telling you in a second just what that would mean. If we are closing a 4-hourly candle above that, it's not only a W pattern, guys. Let me pull out the EMA ribbon, guys. Let me pull out the EMA ribbon, and what is unfolding right here completely blew my mind, because this EMA ribbon on the 4-hourly candles is right now flipping bearish. This doesn't mean that this trend is just starting. It means in the history, if we are going back, I will show it to you. This W pattern unfolding, of course, only if we close above. And the ribbon here flipping with the short-term moving average above the long-term moving average. Let's go back into history and let me show you something. This happened here as well. The ribbon flipping bearish, but us forming a W after the consolidation. Well, this was the end of the dump. And it's not that it happened only one time like this. Actually, in bull markets, Bitcoin likes to end dumps like that. Look at this. We had a long sideways period. We broke down here, formed a W pattern, broke out and went higher. And the ribbon flipped bearish as well. The same thing here. The ribbon flipping bearish, us forming a W pattern and completely shooting towards the upside. These are the moments. This was in December 2020. This was in November 2020. These are the moments where bears are shaken out. These are the moments where the bulls are getting ready for a new uptrend. This was also, we had it in November, we had it in December, we had it in January 2020, W pattern with this one flipping bearish. Well, right now the question is history going to repeat? Is history going to rhyme? And with us, with this EMA ribbon on the 4-hourly flipping bearish and the W, are we going to revert here towards the upside for good? Well, this is at least something we have to pay very close attention to. Let me show you. We have to pay very close attention to that. And in the moment we are closing a 4-hourly candle above that, I am going to set in a tremendous long position if we are confirming that here bullishly. Because one thing I wanted you to keep in mind, guys, just quickly, let me go back to the camera. And let me flip that over here. I want to show you quickly here this beautiful ocean. But one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is, personally, you know that I am targeting the 39 to 40,000 US dollar price level. It is the Fibonacci golden pocket. I talked about that multiple times. On the daily EMA ribbon, it is the bottom of the ribbon, which usually serves as perfect support during bull markets. So 39 to 40,000 US dollars technically is the price where we should retrace to, which has the highest probability. But then we have exogenous factors coming in. We have people like Michael Saylor, who just bought at 52,000 US dollars. He is in a loss right now. Can you imagine that? 1.026 billion US dollars. And he knew that there is the possibility that he will be in a loss. Yet he bought in. So we have many of these institutions right now drying out the OTC market, scaling into the market. So whereas on the technical point of view, I would say the highest likelihood is that we are going down to 39, 40,000, then creating a W and reversing towards the upside for good. On the news point of view, on the fundamental point of view, I would be very cautious if you are betting with your whole trading portfolio on a short position. Well, I am telling you, you can get ready. It is very possible, but then we have all of these news coming in. So what I'm personally doing is I am standing on the sidelines. My assumption is that this bull market is not over yet. My assumption is that we might go lower here, right? I have two potential long positions actually unfolding. One, if we are going lower at 39 to 40,000, I am going to scale in with a significant long position here in a longer term trade, in a mid-term trade, not a long-term trade. If we are breaking the W, I am going to set in a short-term trade, and I want to show you the price target for that as well. You already know my bearish price target of 40,000 here, right? You know the bearish price target of 40,000. But if we were actually to break this W here towards the upside, and we are taking this measured move price target from top to bottom, from bottom to top, then this breakout could catapult us all the way up here nearby the previous all-time high, creating a lower high for Bitcoin at 57,655 US dollars. These are my two potential long trades actually I am looking out for. Actually, if you want to be trading Bitcoin, I will be talking about my trades as well, of course, so stick here with me until the very end. If you want to be trading Bitcoin as well, I have a present here basically in the comment section down below. It is bonus links. We get a bonus, you get a bonus. If you go down to the pinned comment down below, to the video description, and you click the links there, I have put together 3 different platforms. I think Bybit is the best choice. Make your choice, and you can get 1,200 US dollars in accumulated bonuses after making an account with our link there, and after your initial deposit you can get up to 1,180 US dollars completely for free with these specific links here after your initial deposit. And you can trade with this bonus, for example, on Bybit, and with the profits from this free trade as well. So make sure you take advantage of that. Also, if you ever wanted to give back to the channel, well, this is a good way to do so. Thank you so much for that. Of course, I wanted to talk about my trades here as well, just very quickly. If we are going here, you can see this is my trade over on Phoenix, $1.4 million in a profit. It was already 2.3 million. I actually told you guys, it's not a joke. Like many of you guys remember, I told you like at 58,000 for another reason, for the reason of the funding fees, to take some profits. And well, the price went down. What a good timing, right? A little bit lucky here. But the thing is, after I recorded that I told you to take profits, I forgot myself to take profits over on that one. But I'm fine with that. My liquidation price is below 30,000 US dollars. So I'm keeping that one open. I'm going to take profits at the 61,000 US dollars, exactly as I mentioned before. And of course, then I will show you also other price targets I am eyeing for this bull market here right now. So I have more trades over here. This is another trade over on Bybit, 9.4 Bitcoin in profit, approximately 500,000 US dollars. And yeah, here I'm exactly planning to do the same like with on my Phoenix trade. So I am going to take my next profits here at the 61,000 US dollar levels. If we are breaking key levels here to the downside, the 39,000 US dollars, I might take some more profits here to go in later, but this is right now not on the horizon. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, leaving your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below, of course using our links as well. But the most important thing, guys, is sharing the video among your friends. Thank you so much for that, guys. And yeah, with that being said, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.